everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another braiding video. I'm going to be doing some small to medium size box braids in a reddish burgundy-ish tone. So let's jump into this video. So the hair that I'm going to be using is the Rast Afari hair. I have 6 packs of hair. I have 2 packs of the black wine color, and I'm not sure how the color is picking up on camera. It's a deeper red, and I'm going to use this for the back. I got a couple of packs of the M1B/BG, which is like it's like a burgundy-ish mixed color. And then I also got 1 pack of the pure burgundy, so I'm going to do a mix of these 2 colors at the top. So this isn't going to be a full tutorial. I do have another video kind of explaining the techniques that I like to use when braiding. But as usual, I normally section my hair off in about 5 to 6 sections. So I do 2 sections in the back and then 3 to 4 sections in the front because I like to do defined parts. So sometimes I'll just do 1 defined part on the side and then like a middle part, but I have defined part on each side and then a part down the middle just for styling purposes once the braids are in. And yeah, I'm going to be using Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I used to use this a long time ago, but I haven't used it since I've been completely natural, so I'm interested to see how it holds still. I also put a red rinse on my head just to see if it tinted a little bit. It didn't really do anything, but I was doing it really fast and sloppy, so if you see my edges are a little tinted and my ears as well, it's from the red rinse that I put on my head. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna get, so I'm gonna just start with the first section. I normally like to start in the back because I feel like the back sections normally take the longest, but just to kind of give you guys a glimpse of the color and to see how it's gonna all turn out, I am going to start with this first section here. And I think I'm gonna also cut my hair in half. I'm trying to decide how long I want these.
Like I said, I do have a full video where I go into detail on my different techniques on how I braid, so I will leave that down below. But I'll give you guys just a quick overview. I did cut my packs in half, and I used the stretching method to kind of thin out my sections and to taper the ends off, and yeah, I basically just started to braid it on down. I also use edge control as I'm braiding to kind of smooth out any of my natural hair to make it blend in with the braiding hair. So yeah, I just smooth it in as I braid. And here is how it looks after that first section is done using a mix of the burgundy and the burgundy mixed color. So now moving on to this back section, I'm going to be using the wine color, and the wine color is basically like a 1 or 2 mixed with red burgundy strands. So it's kind of like a dark color with a tint of red. So yeah, that's what I'm using in the back. And in the back part of my head, you can really see where I got messy with that rinse that I put on my natural hair. So you're gonna see a bunch of like red spots on my scalp, but just ignore that, guys. You can see it on my neck. It eventually wears off and comes off. So yeah. So here you're going to see me take some scissors, and I'm just going to kind of trim and clean up any of the flyaways that kind of stick out from stretching the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to go in through my sections and clip away any flyaways. And so here I am with all the braids completed, and to finish off this look, I'm just going to take some setting foam and just lather my braids with it. This is going to help seal any flyaways. It's going to help keep my natural hair into place. And also off camera, I also dip my ends in boiling water just to seal them and to give it a more sleek look. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to do my edges, and yeah, that'll be the completed look. Let me know what you guys think. This is the second time I've tried color with my box braids. I really like this red on me. I wish I kind of would have used more red all throughout my hair, but I have a lot of hair left over. I used about 4 packs, so I may go in and touch up my hair and add more red once these braids kind of get old. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment sections. What colors would you like to see me try next with box braids? Kind of like in a very protective style mode right now, so I've been wearing a lot of braided styles. If there are any other braided styles you would like to see me do, leave your suggestion down in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.